Welcome back, foodies! It's Pina Colada Day. Did you know a real pina colada can actually be good for you? Forget the chemical mixers, syrups, and chemical flavorings. Today, we're making a smoothie that's so delicious and healthy, you might want it every morning. The first time I ever had a real pina colada, I was in Hawaii. I'll never forget it. It tasted like heaven. Ever since then, I just won't use bottled mixers. These days, I leave out the alcohol and make it a fresh smoothie, loaded with all the natural health benefits. Hold out to the end for a fun fact about pina coladas. Here is my recipe for the pina colada that I make. Ingredients: use only fresh. That is if you want the healthy version. 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, cut from fresh pineapple. 1 ripe banana. 1 to 2 tablespoons unsweetened shredded coconut or real coconut meat if you're feeling adventurous. 3/4 cup of coconut milk or coconut water. Using coconut milk will make it thicker. If you want it thinner, use coconut water. And splash of pineapple juice, optional. It adds a boost of flavor. A handful of ice cubes. 1 ounce of white rum or a coconut rum, totally optional. If you choose to add alcohol, please drink responsibly. Directions for the recipe. And hold out to after the recipe for the 10 health benefits of a pina colada. Simply add all ingredients into a blender. Blend until creamy and smooth. Pour into a glass. Garnish with a pineapple slice or sprinkle of shredded coconut. And that's it. It's creamy, tropical, lightly sweet from the banana and pineapple, and rich with coconut flavor. It's like sipping pure sunshine. If your taste buds are tingling, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now here are the 10 health benefits of this smoothie. 1. Supports digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain enzyme. 2. Good source of potassium from the banana. 3. Natural hydration. Coconut water is rich in electrolytes. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Fresh fruits combat free radicals. 5. Improves skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants. 6. Boosts energy. Natural sugars plus healthy fats. 7. Anti-inflammatory. Pineapple and coconut have anti-inflammatory properties. 8. Supports weight management. Fiber helps you feel full longer. Here's the entertaining fact I mentioned before. Did you know there's a real National Pina Colada Day? So, be sure to mark your calendars. July 10th is National Pina Colada Day. We could all use an excuse to enjoy one of these, don't you think? Whether you sip this for a morning smoothie or serve it at your next party, you'll be a hit. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know, have you ever had a real pina colada? Check out my other videos about pineapple, so good for your body. Bye for now. See you in the next video.